Boondocking in the van over the past few years has allowed me to visit some really beautiful places all over the country. My van is a 2015 Ford Transit high roof. It's been a very reliable, cost-effective way to get out into nature, and since it's only 20 feet long, it also fits into standard parking spots. With over 6.5 feet of ceiling height, there's plenty of room to stand up and walk around inside. The driver's side holds the kitchen and electrical system. The passenger side has the couch, the bed, and the water supply. The couch is on the passenger side because I sometimes boondock in cities. Streets are often sloped for drainage, so a couch on the driver's side would end up tipping you forward, making it hard to get comfortable. I wanted the van to feel spacious and minimal, so I put lots of counter space in and matched up stripes and patterns where I could. Some might say I went a little overboard trying to line up all the screws. Here I have my hanging clothes with 2 shirts per hanger. The fridge runs on 12-volt DC to save power, and the 5-gallon gray water tank under the sink lasts me about a week. I love mid-century modern furniture, so the upper cabinets have sliding doors. The lower cabinet has a cutout on the side for laundry. The lower middle cabinet contains the wheel well, a 2000-watt inverter, charge controller, and the fuse box. And beneath the van, there are 2 AGM deep cycle batteries to store power generated by 400 watts of solar on the roof. On the passenger side, the couch converts to a 50 by 80 bed, and that's as wide as a full and as long as a queen for reference. If I'm sleeping solo, I don't bother making the bed, I just take off the backrest. I store larger items under the bed along with a 35-gallon water tank which lasts me about a month. Hidden inside the nightstand is the water pump and a valve system for easy refills. And lastly, there's a swiveling passenger seat and a large whiteboard which is great for working from home. So that's the end of the tour. Thanks for watching. Take care.